Hello my friends, and welcome back to RC Rugged Roach. If this is your first time here, I appreciate you dropping by. I hope you find something of interest here for you. Today I'm going to be talking about a few upgrades that I did to the Axial SCX6 Honcho. The first things I did today, actually finished up this morning, was I added Treal Braces. I did the rear, the top here in the front, and then you'll see the name Treal underneath. Some call it the middle, some call it the center, lower brace there. And those are all aluminum, so I got that plastic out of there. The other thing I did was the shock tower / chassis braces. This is metal. You don't see a name on there. It's not a brand name. What I did was I went on Temu and I found all 4 pieces, so that's all 4 corners, for roughly $28 plus tax. They are aluminum alloy. The Treal brand may be aluminum CNC. But these are good quality. I mean, for what I need them for. I'm not a competitor on crawling courses or anything. This is my first large crawler, as a matter of fact. So everything's good, except for I got all 4 pieces again for roughly $28 on Temu. But I did notice that with these, this is the original plastic ones in the back. And I bought these fine laser design body holders or body brackets here. It has one on each side. I had that in one of my other videos. I'm really fond of those. But when I got the metal ones from Temu, it doesn't have the holes down the side. It's solid. So I went to look at Treal because I was wanting to get Treal eventually. And they're more closely made to the stock. So, you know, make sure you do your research thoroughly and get what you want. Now, I will eventually be replacing these anyway with Treal. But right now, I don't think there's going to be a problem with weakness or cracking or anything else. I haven't even had it outside yet. I'm just getting it ready for spring. And when that gets here, we'll get out there and have a great time with it. Right now, I'm still focusing on my indoor mini crawling courses while it's still, you know, cold outside. Anyway, again, just wanted to let you guys know that make sure you do your research, because you may find something that you didn't like or something that doesn't match up. I get excited about upgrades, especially when I get my parts in and I want to jump in and get it done. I am no, mechanic. I am not great at working on things, but I can find my way around it pretty well. So if you guys are new to the hobby or just not mechanically inclined, the easiest way I found to get that middle center brace, the old one out and the new one in, is I had to take the front bumper mount off, like not just the bumper, but the actual mounting system, spread the chassis open, and then pull the plastic one out that's stock and put the metal one in. That would be your easiest avenue, in my opinion. If you're a professional at this, you've been doing it for a long time, and you have an easier method, please feel free to leave in the comments, and we can help some other guys out that way. I'm always open to tips and advice myself, especially from you veterans. I've only been doing this for a few years now. Anyway, thanks a lot for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.